Hi everyone, it's Lynn again. Welcome back to my video. Today we're going to be talking about informal contractions, including the word you. Now these are very common among native speakers, and if you memorize them and say them properly, you're going to sound like a native speaker too. So let's pay close attention and jump right in. Okay, I have here my list of informal contractions, including the word you. And you'll notice that a lot of these, the you changes to a cha sound. So pay close attention to that. I'm going to say each example twice. I'll say it slow the first time, and then I'll say it at a native speaker speed the second time. So make sure you repeat after me each time. Here we go. Okay, first one. Don't you, don't ya? Don't you like it? Don't you like it? Next, won't you, won't ya? Won't you drive the car? Won't you drive the car? What are you, whatcha? What you doing? What you doing? What have you, also whatcha? What you got there? What you got there? Bet you, betcha. Bet you can't guess the answer. Bet you can't guess the answer. Got you, gotcha. I got you some chocolate. I got you some chocolate. Didn't you, didn't ya? Didn't you like it? Didn't you like it? Last one. Do you, do ya? Do you want to come with me? Do you want to come with me? Keep in mind, these are only used for conversation, not in writing. Great job, everybody. Let's move on. All right, it's time to look at some dialogues. Let's pay really close attention so that you can definitely master these contractions. Conversation 1. Which of these can be made into contractions? Yes, these ones. Let's go home. Don't you want to stay? Conversation 2. Which of these can be made into contractions? Yes, these ones. Do you think this dress is good? It's great. Conversation 3. Which of these can be made into contractions? Yes, these ones. What you doing? I'm doing my English homework. Conversation 4. Which of these can be made into contractions? Yes, these ones. Didn't you write the test? Yes, I did. Conversation 5. Which of these can be made into contractions? Yes, these ones. I'm going to ride the roller coaster. Bet you get sick. Conversation 6. Which of these can be made into contractions? Yes, these ones. My husband's going to work in another country. Won't you be lonely? Great job today, everybody. Now you know a lot more about contractions. So I want to encourage you to keep on practicing, keep on studying, and keep on watching my videos. And you're going to be sounding like a native speaker before you know it. Let me know how you're doing in the comments, and see you next time. Bye!